Good morning. So I literally just rolled out of bed. You could probably hear it in my voice. It is 5:49 a.m. I have about an hour before my boys wake up from for the day. So I'm hoping that I can get some stuff done. This is the first time that I'm waking up about an hour earlier to get things done, and I'm hoping that this is helpful for me so I can do more during the day and be a little bit more productive. I did go to bed like 2 hours earlier last night, so I feel like I'm awake right now because I slept so much last night. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started, and yeah, hopefully we get a lot of things done. See all that? I have tons of laundry, and I did like 5 loads yesterday, and I still have tons of laundry, so I need to do that now. This little one woke up about 20 minutes too early, so why did you wake up? Rover's still sleeping. Let's see if we can put you down so mommy can finish, okay? Get quite a few things done, which I am so happy about. I don't ever wake up this early before my boys. Usually I wake up maybe 10-15 minutes before them, just enough time for me to be able to brush my teeth, go pee, and sit down on the couch for maybe 5 minutes before they wake up and kind of have, you know, like a couple of minutes of just, you know, getting myself together. So me waking up this early, doing my makeup, my hair before they wake up, never happens. Like, it's probably happened maybe once or twice during the week while I've had both boys. It happens more often during the weekend when my husband is here to help, but hardly ever during the week. So this is kind of nice. So don't think I do this all the time, because I definitely do not. I did like the waking up earlier though, and getting some things done, because now I don't have to have that pressure in my head of like, oh, I haven't done that, I haven't done that, I haven't done that, because I already did a lot of things today, and that's okay. And if those are the only things I do today, that's okay, because, you know, like Kimmy from She's in Her Apron says, progress, not perfection, and I 100% agree with that. Anyways, I hope this video gave you some motivation to get the things done in your home. Maybe even wake up 30 minutes earlier and just do a couple of things. Even if it's just, you know, picking up the living room, putting the pillows where they belong, or, you know, putting a couple of dishes away. Anything is good and anything helps. Anyways, I hope you found this video motivating. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.